Right.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. You gotta show me where you're going.
Alright, up a little
You
bit.
can even get down so you can see the depth perception.
Alright, aim that a little bit. There you go. That's like, it's probably like 3 feet tall.
Yeah, that's
And
pretty
there,
tall there.
say, here's our hot tub right here. So,
Alright.
it's like,
Let's show that a little bit. You can get
Okay.
down. You can get down to the ground so you can see how tall it is.
it's like a little trench. Oh, it basically is a trench.
Okay. We'll keep going.
Yeah, we'll keep going. This mound, this one right there, that's our bird bath. The mound, aim it up, yeah, there you go. The mound is like almost about 8 inches taller than our bird bath. It's crazy. There's the other side of our gate. You can see that.
Yeah, you can kind of see it up against the gate there, how
Yeah.
tall it is.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Alright, hit pause.